Hey, it's Matt. Welcome back to another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. This is Canteen Cup Tuesday number 47 and counting. You know, trail food doesn't have to be complicated, and camp food doesn't have to be complicated either. When I kind of made up the Canteen Cup Tuesday, it was made to be just the easiest non-refrigerated stuff that you could make on the trail or when you were camping. And it's really grown into a big thing. I mean, some people have made some tremendous looking dishes, but today I've done a few of the Knorr sides before, the pasta and the chicken, which was really good, like the Knorr chicken noodles and stuff. But I'd never done the rice, so we're gonna do a little bit of the Knorr rice. And this is really good stuff. It's gonna make a lot in the Canteen Cup, and then we're gonna add, of course, a little can of chicken breast to it. So the Knorr sides with the chicken, the rice and pasta blend in a savory chicken flavored sauce. You know, chicken. I like chicken. So easy chicken and rice. I'm pretty sure it's going to make almost a full Canteen Cup full, and we're going to add the chicken, and it's going to be really, really good. Of course, we're going to have a regular cast of characters. So let's get back and let's start cooking our Knorr rice and chicken. Alright, here we go with a regular cast of characters. Of course, we got Old Faithful with us. We got a spoon, which is going to help. We got our little rocket stove, and we got our MSR gas. It's getting kind of low, but this stove is awesome. It's only still like 11 or 12 bucks on Amazon. I'm pretty sure there's a link to it below. It's got a measuring cup just for the heck of it, a little bit of water, and a can of chicken. Now, we're gonna do everything that true Southern boys would like. We're gonna boil the rice in with the chicken juice, and we're gonna put the chicken juice in with the water at the same time, and it's gonna flavor up that rice a little bit more before we put the chicken in. So let's get that going. All right, we need our 2 cups of water here. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that chicken. All right. Peel that back a little bit. Now, we're gonna put the chicken juice in here first. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. All right. Get all of that chicken juice out of there. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to get the rest of the 2 cups of water and make a nice concoction. All right, now let's get the stove going and we'll boil that up. Oh yeah. That should not take very long to get boiled up. Okay, so while our water is boiling, and everybody knows that there's nothing more exciting than watching water boil, I thought I would give you an update on what's going on. It's going pretty good with the house. We're really selling a lot of stuff. My wife is selling almost everything we own on Nextdoor and Facebook Marketplace, and she's doing really good on that. I'm painting and cleaning and doing the trim on the inside. Next week I'm going to start on the outside, and the house is going to go up for sale on October the 16th, do or die. And we've already got our full-time RV space reserved for November 1st. If you guys don't already know, I have another channel that's devoted to RV living full-time. I'll put a little card to it right up here so you can go check that out. It's pretty good. And being full-time in the RV is going to allow me to travel, and it's going to allow me to take Florida Boy Survival on the road. So look forward to me contacting some of you guys that have been on the channel for a long time or a short time. If I'm in your neighborhood, or if I'm in your general area, let's go for a hike. And I don't, next spring, my RV is going to take me all over the country. So this is going to allow me to take Florida Boy Survival on the road, and it's going to be real fun. I'm looking forward to doing collaborations with as many of you guys that will do a collaboration with me. So go over and check out my RV channel. That's just a quick update. But I think I hear the water rumbling, so let's go check out what's going on. Alright, looks like our water's boiling up here. Now, we are gonna... Man, it's boiling too much. You gotta turn it down. Holy cow. Okay, we gotta put in this rice. Woo! Man, that thing is boiling. Put in the rice, we gotta bring it up to a boil, and then we gotta cover it and let it simmer. That's why I really like this stove. You can really get a good simmer out of it. Yeah, turn it up. Get the rice boiling. And let that rice cook for 7 minutes. Oh, it was boiling. Here it comes. Remember, we got that chicken juice. That's what's making it foam over too. Alright, now we're gonna get a good boil. Man, this Canteen Cup heats right back up. Alright. Alright, I'm calling that a boil. Now I'm going to reduce the heat way down and see if I can get that simmer. Alright, so I don't want this to boil over. I just want to do some nice rice. It's been a long time since I've had this. I've never done the Northside's rice in the Canteen Cup. Alright, this is getting down to the simmer stage. Alright, we're just going to loosely put that cap on. Now, we're going to let that baby simmer for 7 minutes or until it's done. Alright, this thing is on real low. Let's check out what we got here. Oh man. Ooh, nice and soupy. Still got a ways to go though. It still needs to thicken up. And once it's cooked down, you know, you got to let it sit covered if you can for a couple of minutes to let the like the juice get all thick and everything. Ooh man, you can smell that chicken juice in there. All right, so we'll give that a couple more minutes and we'll see what's going on. Okay, we've been down for about, I don't know, 8 or 9 minutes. Let's see how we look. Ah, we look pretty good. Oh yeah, man, look at that rice. All right, I think that's just about good. We're gonna pull this off. We're just gonna stop the stove. And we're gonna pull this off and cover it. We're gonna let it sit there. Oh, first, we're gonna add the chicken. Oh man, we gotta let our chicken cook in there. Oh yeah, it's kind of like cat food. And you can do this with tuna or chicken or whatever you want. I like chicken, but it would totally work good with tuna also. The butter flavor I think would be really good with chicken. All right, chicken's all covered. All right, we're gonna snap that on there for a few minutes. Then we're gonna come back and try it. All right, we've been sitting covered for, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes. Let's see. Ow, man, that's hot. Woo! Oh man. Oh, that thickened up considerably. Ooh, man, that smells good too. Oh, I think this is gonna be good. I love chicken, y'all. All right. A little fill up. Okay. Put us back up here. All right. Now, we're ready for the taste test. Let's see what we got. We'll get a little bit of chicken in there. Chicken with the rice. Ooh, man. Okay, let's taste it. You know, it just wouldn't be right unless we got a little bit of Louisiana hot sauce for us. And y'all know me. Just a drop. Mmm. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's red with hot sauce. Oh man, that smells so much better. Woo! All right, now let's try it. This is gonna be hot. Oh man. The combination of the chicken with the rice and kind of the broth that the rice makes and good old Cristal hot sauce. Man, this is good. And this is almost the whole canteen cup full too. That was a big bunch of hot sauce there. Oh man, that's great. Whew. All right. Easily done, easily made on the trail. You know, this would be a good dinner too. Real good dinner around the campfire. You know, if you don't want to bring out any refrigerated stuff, or you don't want to do anything, you know, really, you know, elaborate. Of course, steaks are always nice to have in the woods, but you know, when it gets cooler, and you know, it's a lot easier to take refrigeratable items out when it's cooler. But it's still 90 degrees down here. We're supposed to get a cold front, and it's supposed to be in the mid 60s on Thursday night, and in the mid 80s on Thursday and Friday. So hey, there is some light at the end of the tunnel. But we got the Northside chicken flavor rice with a can of chicken. Man, that is good. And of course, our old buddy hot sauce. So here we go again with Canteen Cup Tuesday number 47. Easy breezy. This is going to come with me on some of the hikes, and it's going to be soon. So I hope you all liked it. Please let me know in the comments below. And once again, this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.